What's up, YouTube? Box Fan Willie here with a Frigid 5-blade 3-speed box fan. Model number SP20. Rated for 3 amps. It's missing a handle. It's got some cosmetic flaws. The inside's pretty bad, the inside of the cabinet, as the paint's all peeling, but the outside doesn't look too bad. The grills are all in pretty good shape. The cord's shot. So let's go ahead and fire it up. That's on high. I don't know.
Set the tree button. Oh.
There we go.
Dang, that's much better.
Yeah. Okay. It's rated for 3 amps. The motor's rated for 2.2. It's pulling 1.95.
See the watts. 150?
149 now. By the way, I am with Zach the Fan Man 76 at his place. You can see his collection.
Too many fans.
Yeah. Well, and as of right now, I'm officially over 200. But you got some awesome looking fans here.
Yeah.
So, and by the way, that Lasco's sitting right behind it's not mine. There's also a Hunter sitting over there. A lot of Emersons. Okay. There's medium and low. And of course it's going to rattle again.
I think they'll snap on.
Yeah, there's snap-on. I'll take a look at it later and find out what's causing the rattle. And then the spin down. This fan does have a Westinghouse motor. I just learned that Westinghouse made some permanently lubricated motors, which I didn't know that because I have several Lakewoods and I had a Dominion which now belongs to Zach the Fan Man 76. You can kind of see it in the background there. It's got a Westinghouse, but they all have oil ports, but this one does not. So anyway, I took the camera off while we were doing the spin down, so let's start it up again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take the motor apart and probably drill some oil ports in it. Definitely going to get it oiled. So here it is, a Frigid 5-blade 20-inch box fan.
Do we want to show the old Westinghouse tag from the motor? Or?
Yeah, let's do that.
Maybe zoom in a little bit, or is it not focusing?
Well, let's...
There it goes.
There we go. So...
Good focus.
There. So that's the information on the motor. I also, in a pile of old box fans that I have found in an old barn here quite a few years back, I have another one like this that is Vornado, but it's only 3 blades, but they look just like the blades on this, which it is not anywhere near as good a condition, and the grill's all broken on it. So here it is, a Frigid 5-wing box fan. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and also while you're at it, subscribe to my friend Zach the Fan Man 76 for more videos of fans. Thanks for watching.